cannot control the move. You cannot control the price action. You cannot control anything. So why are you sitting down and watch the move and pray behind the monitor, oh God, please move the market? Yeah, welcome to the new Shellbridge Funding webinar. So what we're going to talk about today, it's going to be mastering patience in the fast-paced market. I'm going to talk about let's say, how you can basically improve to being patient in the market, and which is going to also help you to control the overtrading and FOMO. So we're going to talk about some psychology stuff, just going to help a lot. Now, all of you guys know, I talk about this a lot, that trading is about decision, right? You want to be successful in trading, you should be successful on making decision under pressure. Now, one of the main things that a lot of you guys struggle with, it's patience. A lot of you guys ask, Ebal, how can I be so patient in trading? I mean, you know, once I enter position, I'm just staying at the chart, I'm watching the chart like until my position close, or what I'm doing basically is I cannot basically wait to price tap to my level. I enter so fast. So these are all come from the, let's say, FOMO and a skill that you should master, which are called as you should be patient, right? I'm going to teach you how you can be patient, right? So the first thing, we have two types of the patient. One patient before the market, before you enter a trade, and one patient after you enter a trade, right? These are two different things, okay? So the patient before entering a trade is basically you cannot wait, okay? You cannot wait to price tap to your zone, to tap to your level, and you enter so fast, okay? And the reason behind this, it's because you are not fully confident on your setup, and you try to catch basically trades because behind that act there is a mindset and psychology, let's say logic, which is you fear to lose the trade, or we call this FOMO, right? So that's a FOMO. What do you think? Is basically you think if you don't catch this move, even if price didn't tap to your zone, you're gonna miss a lot of money. And if you miss a lot of money, you cannot catch or make, let's say, catch a trade again. You think that's the only opportunity in your life. And if you lost it, you're gonna lose it for all. But this is bullshit. This is BS. I want you guys to understand this. That's bullshit. I mean, you should understand, if you didn't able to catch a trade, if you miss it, even if price tapped to your zone, if you didn't able to catch it, or even if price didn't tap to your zone, the first thing you should understand, if I didn't able to catch a trade there, I can catch it tomorrow. I can catch it next week, because the market not going to close. The market is not like a meme coin that there's just going to be one opportunity and one major move is going to make you a lot of money. No, you're trading the forex market, you're trading the crypto market, you're trading in the stock market, trading the future. I mean, that's mean there is a move every day. The market never gonna close. And I want you to understand, if market closed, if forex market basically closed forever, that's mean there is no economy in the war, right? There is no economy in the war. So that's not possible. But again, that's not enough for your brain to understand that you should be patient on that time. So that's the first thing you should understand. The second thing I want you to understand is, before you enter a trade, okay, if price didn't tap to your zone and you see a huge move, I want you to put yourself as a big player. Okay, maybe a lot of you guys trading with some, let's say, weaker strategy, but for those that trading with the liquidity concept, they know what is the liquidity and what big players want. I mean, how the big players want to manipulate people. If you don't know, let me tell you that the big player want to play with your psychology in order to manipulate you. Not manipulate your psychology, just manipulate your money, right? And basically that reason 95% of the traders they are losing, right? So they want to create fake moves in the market that bring a lot of retail traders in the trade and outside of their trading plan. And after that, they're gonna hit their stop loss. So I want you to put yourself as a big player. Once you see price didn't tap to your zone and start to give you the fake move, I want to understand this one. Even if price go higher, you should follow your trading plan. If you didn't able to catch that trade on that day, you're gonna catch it tomorrow, next week, next month. The goal is not to lose the money. The goal is not basically to lose or funnel like it. The goal is be patient, don't lose the money, and the second goal should be make money. If you put the second goal as your first goal, making money as your first goal, you're going to catch a lot of trade. And you're going to fail to make money, and you're going to lose all your fund. So your first goal, your first priority in the trading should be protect your fucking capital. That's the main thing. Now, the second type of the patient, Ebol, I enter a trade, but I cannot let go. I'm just going to sitting at the chart. I'm just going to watch my position. And that's giving me a lot of stress. I close my position manually. I close it fast. I close it late. I don't know what should I do, right? So there is a concept that is set and forget. That's meaning once you enter a trade, there is nothing you can control at all. What are you going to control? Your position? Your position should get controlled by a trading plan. In your trading plan, you should mention where you should go break even, where you should exit the position, and where's your stop loss. That's the only thing you can control. You cannot control the move. You cannot control the price action. You cannot control anything. So while you're sitting down and watch the move and pray behind the monitor, oh God, please move the market to the upside, that's bullshit, right? You cannot control. And in a trading, you should spend your energy on the thing that you can control, not on the thing you can't control. Because energy, your brain energy, it's the only battery. It's going to help you, or it's the power. It's going to help you to make a good decision under pressure. And if you waste it on the thing that you can't control, there is no energy left. So you can put it on the thing you can control, and you're going to lose money. So what are you going to do? Got to set the position. In the area you want to go break even, set alarm. In area it's your take profit number 1, set alarm. And just set and forget. If that's a stop loss, that's a stop loss. That's a stop loss. That's completely okay. That's a stop loss. If you follow a trading plan, you're cool. But the thing that you can control, don't waste energy on it. Just set an alarm. If you can, in the trading view, there's a free alarm you can put. If you have the premium version, which that's great, you can set a lot of alarm. But in the also free plan, there is alarm. You're gonna put alarm, connect your phone to the trading view. So once you get alarm in your phone, you're gonna get notification, and just go and touch some grass, go outside, enjoy the day. There's nothing you can do in the market. You already have your trade. Just go and enjoy your day. That's it. Simple as that. So you're gonna understand this. The patient number 1 before the trade, you should understand. Okay, I teach you 2 things. Okay, before the trade, how are you gonna improve the patient? The third thing you're gonna understand. The market never gonna close, and you can make money every day. And not every day, basically. If you didn't able to catch a trade today, tomorrow you can catch it. So there is no close time for the market. There is no end time for the market. Okay? Now for the patient trading, well, after you enter a trade, set and forget, set alarm, go and enjoy your day. Simple as that. And the last thing, focus on the thing you can control, not you can't control. Again, trading, it's decision. Trading is a decision game. Decision under pressure. And in order to you make a good decision under pressure, you should have energy battery, right? You cannot, you cannot drive a car once you're so sleepy because you don't have any energy, right? Same in trading. You cannot make a good decision to make you profitable once you don't have any energy. Once you waste your energy on the thing you can control, you're going to be unprofitable.